You as a foreigner, once you marry a Filipina, you will marry the whole family. From Notch says, would these ladies be open to a man who wants to live in Cebu rather than having them relocate? Yes, Notch, all these ladies has been, so during the interview, we asked them about their willingness to relocate or to live in the country. But they are all willing to relocate. It's because they wanted to be with you. They wanted to establish family and build a family with you no matter where you want to go, as long as you make sure to these ladies that they are safe. But in that case, for living in Cebu, they would be happy and welcome to be in that situation, because they don't need to be scared and to be to have some mixed emotions and living in a different country where she is strangers. She don't know what to expect in there, like that. But living in Cebu City, or the city, or in the Philippines, would be much more comfortable to her, because she don't need to leave her family behind. She feels closer and confident and feels secure living with her family, or living to the place where she knows or she's familiar with. So yeah, that's, and a lot of our expats, there are a lot of our clients also stayed in the Philippines for good. It's because it's cheaper to live in the Philippines, especially when we are earning dollar, or you're having your pension. So yeah, that's a really wise idea for you to stay in the Philippines. Here is from HD says, it's nice that these ladies are content to move to foreigners country, or stay in the Philippines. They seem to prioritize marriage. Yes, in the Philippines, marriage is a sacred union between two person. So for better or for worse, so that do us part. It's just like what it says in the Bible. For West says, I hear that Filipinas often support their families back home. What kind of expectation do these ladies have about sending money home if they relocate? It's not a compulsory, guys, for you to send money, but it is what it is. You're marrying a Filipina, which is Filipina is, no matter where she is, she still have her family behind. We can't just leave our family like that. It doesn't mean that you have to send monthly. It depends if you're willing. If you are okay with her working, then that's good, so that she don't have to ask money from you. And if she's not working, I guess we just have to talk about it later on, once you meet in person, once you already establish a good chemistry and a good relationship with each other. You can talk about it. Most especially, it would be appreciative for you to help her out, especially if it's an emergency and stuff. Yeah, so it's not that big money that it's a Philippine money that converts a dollar to Philippines, so it's not much. But since you're marrying a Filipina, might as well think about it. There will be a possibilities that you have to send from time to time, but not all the time. It depends. It depends on the situation. It depends on the financial status you are in right now. So yeah. Here's from West says, I just worry that an overseas in-law may take priority over our own needs in the marriage, which is something I fear about dating Filipino women. Yeah, that is true too, Wes. That is why once you meet them in person, once you have a date with them, you have to get to know these ladies and focus on her opinions about this matter. Everything can be solved with just understanding to each other, and you have to compromise and know about her opinion and your opinion. And mostly in Filipinas, they are willing to adjust in any situation, as long as you will also prioritize the family on your own, because you're building a family, and she will understand the situations that you are with, especially when you're building a family together. And you, as a foreigner, once you marry a Filipina, you will marry the whole family, and it's not about just the financial, it's the care that you can give. They're not asking for you to support them financially. Just be the kind of person that can be trusted with their daughter's life, their future, like that. So as long as you are good to their kids or to their daughter, then that's good enough.
Travel to exciting places and meet hundreds of stunning single women. Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Interested? Learn more at cebuwomen.com.